Hello, this is Nicola from Harmony Headwraps. I promised in my last video that I would make a video about wrapping with a 10-strip sari and wrapping so that you could cover the whole of your volume with just one sari, because they're not usually wide enough to manage that. This is the first time I've wrapped on camera, so bear with me. This might be a complete disaster, who knows. So the first thing you want to do is to put it on and get the front where you want it to be. You have to forgive me, I'm doing this in my studio at work and this has been screwed up in my bag waiting for me to do this video. So you want one quite short end and one long end, and you want to tie the back so that you've got the short end coming out the top of the knot, if that makes sense. So normally I would tie it like this. So I've got my short end coming out. Does that make sense? And then the short end you are going to fan out. I might have got that just a little bit too short. Just bear with me a second, just make it a little bit longer. So I'm putting the short end over so that it comes under and out. And then I'm going to fan it out as best I can. And then I'm going to tuck these tails in at the top. Turn this way so I can see where I'm tucking. It is a little bit of a faff to start with. You just want those edges tucking in as well. And then, what's that bit? Got an escapee. There we go. And then you can take this long end, see which way around I want. And you can bring that round. You can always use it to tidy up, cover up any bits at the back that aren't quite as neat as you would have liked. Like all of it by the look of it on here. And then you've got this end, you can either carry on and tuck it in, or just find the pass that you've just taken round and tuck it in there, give it a good pull, and then tidy up. And there we go. Hopefully you saw that. I just realised the lights went. Can you see that? And there we go. Hopefully that was of some use. We'll see.